You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names and vocabulary, so stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. In some languages, especially Latin languages, it's said as Lila, like in Italian, Spanish, but in English, Lila is how it's normally said. Lila, it's easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Subscribe to become part of the community, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.